To find out what version of Python you have on your Ubuntu system, open the terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl Alt and T keys together. Once the terminal window opens, type the following command and then press Enter. Python 3 version. This command will show you the version of Python 3 installed on your computer. If you want to check the version of Python 2, type this command instead and press Enter. Python version. Most Ubuntu systems come with Python 3 by default, but some older versions may still have Python 2 installed. If any of the commands do not work, or you get an error saying the command is not found, it means Python might not be installed on your system. In that case, you can install Python 3 by typing this command and pressing Enter. Sudo apt update, sudo apt install Python 3. You will need to enter your password when asked. After installation is complete, you can check the Python 3 version again using the first command. Knowing your Python version helps you run the right programs and avoid errors. That is all you need to check your Python version on Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.